everyone, welcome to our channel Aathreya Education. Myself Aathreya. In this video, we are going to see about HTML formatting tags. There are some tags in HTML formatting tags. They are B tag, which is used to present the text as bold. The I tag, which is used to present the text as italic. The U tag is used to underline the text. The SUP tag is used to present the text as superscript. The sub tag is used to present the text as subscript. The strike tag is used to strike the text. And the font tag is used to set the font style, size and color. Now let's see a practical program on HTML formatting tags. Open Visual Studio Code and click on File and New File. Save the file as formatting.html. Now let's start typing the code. Give HTML tag and body tag. Let's give the tag B and enter the text in the B tag as welcome. Let's save the file and right click on the code and say open in default browser. And here we can see welcome text in bold. Now let's open Visual Studio Code and type I tag and give the text as welcome. Save the file and refresh the page in the browser, and here we can see welcome text first in bold, after that in italic. Now let's give the tag U and say welcome. Refresh the page in the browser, and here we can see welcome underlined on the browser screen. Now let's go with the SUP tag. Give the tag H3 and give today's date 03rd January 2021. Now refresh the page in the browser, and here we can see RD is coming straight in the date. Now open Visual Studio Code and give the tag SUP and type RD and give slash and close the tag SUP. Save the file, open the browser and refresh the page, and here we can see RD as superscript. Now let's give the tag H3 and give H, and in the sub tag give 2 and 0. Save the file. Save the file and open the browser and refresh the page. Here we can see H and 2 as subscript and O, which is the formula of water. Next, let's go with the H3 tag and give the Titan watches are now flat. Let's give the tag script strike and say 50%. Close the strike tag and say 60% off. Save the file and refresh the page in the browser, and here we can see 50% striked on the browser screen. Now give the tag font in the font tag. Give attribute face equal to double quotes and Arial. After that, another attribute size and give the size as 5. Then the last attribute color equal to double quotes and blue, and type welcome to HTML. Save the file and refresh the page in the browser, and here we can see welcome to HTML in Arial font style, and the size is 5 and in the color blue. Please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.